Hello there! So you already know what Linux is and have successfully set up a Linux system on your home computer. Now the next step is how do you install a software on your Linux box? Basically, there are two ways you can use to install software, either through your terminal program or using the Software Center program. For most users, using the GUI front-end, that is the Software Center program alone, will do fine, and you probably don't have to worry about using the terminal program at all. What you'd normally do is launch the Software Center program, browse the list of apps available either through categories, or use the search tool if you know the specific app name, and then click the install button. But what about the terminal program? You might be curious to know who are the users that are going to use this text-based interface for installing software. Well, they are hobbyists, administrators, developers, and so on. Those users that literally work under the hood, creating, developing, maintaining, and of course breaking stuff. And if you prefer the terminal option for installing software, here's how you can. The command shown here is just a template for you to get familiar with. Now, you have to do a little research about your Linux distro. Since every distro has their own package management tool, first, you'll have to know what tool your distro uses. Once you've got the tool name, next is your app name that you want to install. Suppose I want to install an application called Git. The terminal command on Ubuntu would look something like this. Whereas on Fedora, the command is. You can notice the difference between the two distros' package management naming, apt for Ubuntu and dnf for Fedora. Similarly, that package management name would be different for other distros. All you have to do is research your distro package tool name and use that command template to install software on your Linux box. So there you have it, 2 ways to install software on Linux. Hope you liked watching this video. If so, please hit the like button, and I'd love to know which of the 2 options would you prefer for installing software on your Linux box. Type out your answer in the comment section below.